step into the Nissan 2016 Maxima 3.5 SL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. Enjoy these notable features: B10, splash guards, C3, 50 state emissions, L92, floor mats, trunk MAT and trunk net, Z66, activation disclaimer, engine, 3.5 LDOHC 24-valve V6, transmission, continuously variable, CVT, transmission with driver selectable mode and sequential shift control, front-wheel drive and 5.25 axle ratio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.